Well, hi everybody. This is Stay at Home Grandma, and you know it's Thursday and it's review day. I haven't made up my mind which day I want to use for review day, so I'm sticking with just Thursday. And I've got the fish oil omega-3 EPA DHA, and it's omega-3 fatty acids. It's 1,000 milligrams of concentrate, and this is the fish oil right here. And I'm liking this because I started taking it after I had the stroke, and it helps me. It helps my blood pressure. It helps everything. And I don't leave home without it. Okay, so this is by the Vitality Max. I can't read that. Let's see if I can read it. Anyway, right back. The Vitality Max Labs. And I will put this in the comment section. These omega-3s are not very big. I'm going to open it, okay? So we can see what they look like. Because omega-3s are like chocolate in my house. I go through them. I take it every day. I'm going to open it. I am. So how's everybody doing? I am doing fine. It has been raining cats and dogs here. First the sun came out. Okay, then it started raining. Now the sun's back out, but the wind is like just blowing. So it's like February here. Maybe even the beginning of March. So I opened them. Let's see. Oh, so these are nice sized ones. Some of them are horse pills. This is not too bad. But I like this. So I suggest you get on over and look at my site and email them and see what they have. Okay. Again, fish oil, omega-3, EPA, DHA. Don't leave home without it. See you later. I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.